The BioRobotics Institute is responsible for the development of a grasp library that can be used to perform dexterous manipulative actions of industrial use cases. Those actions are at the moment performed by human workers, and the automatization of those processes could relieve workers from repetitive or non-ergonomic movement. To be able to manipulate the objects as a human would do, the library has to take into account the deformability of the object and the possibility for the robot to collaborate with humans. The challenge is to imitate human capability in dexterous manipulation. Humans behave differently in grasp when they have to use an object directly or when they have to hand it over, and the same should do the robot. Moreover, the grasping library should also account for the deformability of the object, foresee its deformation, and use it to calculate the most proper grasp. The grasping library should also be versatile, because it should fit different industrial use cases. This is obtained by studying how human manipulates objects and by extracting from those data some general manipulation principles that can be implemented in the grasp library.